Grand Manner on June 3, 2017. Few leaders can claim that their life and work straddled 2 centuries. Beginning in the 1940s, Sri Karunanidhi's political life dominated the better part of the 20th century. 20ஆம் நூற்றாண்டே ஆக்கிரமிச்சது ஐயா இது நீங்க ஆக்கிரமிச்சிக்கலாம் 20ஆம் நூற்றாண்டே and remains an important factor in the 17 years of 21st century. 21st century in office or outside, in office or outside, Karunanidhi has since 1969 been one of the 2 poles that defined the politics of Tamil Nadu. As Chief Minister, he was an able administrator known for implementing the radical ideas of the Dravidian movement and for quick decisions. ஐயா சொல்லுங்களே quick hashtag வித்தியாசம் சொல்லுங்களே சூப்பர். He had paid equal attention to development and welfare, and that approach has been the hallmark of successive governments in Tamil Nadu. As a leader, முதல்ல Chief Minister அடுத்து சொல்றாங்க. As a leader of the opposition, he was a formidable adversary who kept the government on its toes with his mastery over